My good people, so I just want to give you that is a brief that is on how you are supposed to navigate, that is on AI traders. So this is what you call the AI traders analysis tool. So this is on AI traders analysis tool. You can be able to analyze the market, you can be able to take your trades. We got free bots. So this is just a normal DERIV dashboard. In case you want to load your bot, just like we do it normally, assuming you are there, that is bot builder, just click the dashboard. Then we have my computer here. Just click my computer, then select an XML file, yeah. Then load the bot, any bot that you want to using that is in trading, yeah. Just any bot, just load. Like the bot that you want to upload, just load it there. That is how we do it, yeah. Okay, yeah, let me just upload any so that at least you can see how you do it. Aggressive sniper, then just open this and even odd robot that I'm working on. I'll actually make it available, that is on this website. The next thing we can do, we have what you call the analysis tool. Yeah, this is the analysis tool. We have the bot. Now let's go to the analysis tool. The analysis tool, this is where you can actually be able to analyze this market. So just click, we have the circles. You can actually be able to have what you call the circles, yeah. So just have you, if you love trading using the circles, we got you covered. These are the circles. You can actually analyze the market here. Something else that you can do, you can actually switch, that is the number of ticks, like you want, if you want to get to analyze the market in a broader view, you can actually switch there. That is switch, that is to 100 ticks, because by default these candles are to 1,000 ticks, yeah. So you can set to 100 ticks and see the better view of, get a better view of the market. Something else you can do, we have what you call the error analysis. You can actually be able to trade even odd, yeah. You can actually be able to trade even odd. If you check here, we have, you can actually see we have even odd digits popping. Assuming unataka, now I normally trade using the reverse. So for example, when I'm trading even, I have to make sure when I'm the digit that if I'm trading even odd, I'll trade the digit with the lowest that is if ni even iko the lowest percent, that is what I'll trade. If ni odd iko the lowest percent, that is what I'll use to trade. For example, assuming even iko 45% and below, I could set up a trade on even. Then I'll just come to this part and wait a point where odd will pop up about 5, 6, 7, 8 or like at least 5 times. That is continuous without an even break. Then that moment an even digits pops, that is on my screen, that's when I'll make my entry, yeah. That is regarding even odd. We also have over and unders. I'll actually teach you on how to engage this market on over and unders. Then we have what you call the matches and differs. That's not an important market. I'll also teach you on how you can actually do videos on rise and fall, yeah. Apart from the error analysis tool, we'll also have what you call the digit match analysis tool. For this tool, we normally use it with this robot here. We call it this one. We have this robot we call the error matches. The error matches, just click that bot hapo unakuja unaweka matches, then unakuja kwa analysis tool. Unakuja huku una set up everything, then you just go to the analysis tool, then switch to that is error digit match, then match this volatility with the volatility yenye kwa bot hapo. The ticks you can just leave them. This tool will actually give you a prompt for the prediction digit. Kama sasa imekwambia prediction digit is 4, entry point is inakwambia prediction digit 4 na inakwambia when you are supposed to run the bot. So kuweka entry point una click tu hapa run. It's very simple. Una click run, unaweka prediction digit hapo, then inakupea timer hapa. Hii timer inakuweka hapa. Mostly the best entry is I'm actually currently working with 3. Ikikupea countdown, that is 8 or 5, 4. Ikifika 3 una run bot yako and match with your prediction digit. I'll actually do that video. But the best time to actually take the trades is when the market is less volatile, like for example early in the morning ama usiku kutoka huko saa 9. That's the best time you can actually take trade with this robot, and during that time you'll actually have high precision because there are very few traders on this on website, and that means it will actually give you good results. So in case it's not performing so well, that is during the day, just try at night, yeah, because when the market is highly volatile, just take, utaona hapa digit ina pop. When this digit pops, after some few minutes inaenda, unaona imepotea, hiyo digit 8 imepotea before even you get the timer. It's because the market is highly volatile. So the best time to actually trade the matches using our tool, the error analysis digit match, is during the morning or that is usiku, that is from huko saa 9 saa 10. But I'll actually do the video that is for that. I'll actually this is just a navigation. I'm just trying to explain on how you can actually be able to navigate. So just in case you need the chart or the trading view, just click the charts here, and you'll have the normal chart. Yeah, this is the normal chart. In case you want to switch, that is the time, click hapo, then weke 1 minute hapo, then you can actually be able to activate the candles. You can actually see I have activated the candles. In case you want to resize, unafanya hivi. Yeah, just very simple stuff. Yeah, in case you want to see, you want the trading view instead, you have the trading view here. So just click the trading view. Now it will immediately pop on your screen, and now we have the trading view. You can do everything you want. If you analyze the market with 1 minute time frame or 1 hour time frame, you can switch the volatilities here. So click the DERIV, for example, I can switch 25 1s like that. Yeah, so everything I have just simplified everything. And if you can check here, you can actually analyze the market here. You can actually see if we come merodi bot yako, you can actually see we have this part that is for the journal. Yeah, everything is like I've just made everything very simple. Sawa. Okay. Then we have under the free bots, we have so many robots. For example, you have an Auto Dream V1, Auto Dream V2, Auto Dream V3. For these Auto Dream robots, they all trade under Auto Dream V1 under 9, Auto Dream V2 under 8, Auto Dream V3 trades under 7. All these three robots have a recovery of under 5. Yeah, I'll actually do videos on how you analyze market for under 5, and we'll also do some live trades so that at least you can understand better. We have these other robot we call the Undisputed Githurai Punisher, which trades that is over 1, over 2, over 3. That is version 1, version 2, version 3. Over 1, that is over 0, over 2, over 1, and over 2. All these three robots have a recovery of over 3. I actually did a video on how to analyze these markets, but I'll still do some more videos on how to analyze market for the Undisputed Githurai Punisher. We have this robot here we call we call the Havoc. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, I think there we have a better view. We have this other robot here we call the Havoc. This robot is a general speedboat that can actually trade in market. You can use it in even, odd, over, unders, rise and fall, any trade. It can actually trade in a market because it's a very simple robot that you can actually customize to trade in a market. It has what you call a prompt, so that you will not like the moment you just click, it will automatically build the blocks so that it can reduce the moment you click run, the robot will instantly start your trades. Then you have this robot you call the Elite Matches. I have already domesticated this one. This one is for trading matches using our analysis tool. For this one, you can also use it to trade matches. You can also use this one. We have another robot you call the Elite Traders. This robot trades with entry point. So the moment you click run, after umesha configure sa hapa, una click run, inakwambia entry point. So unaweka digit unataka ingie nayo market, then the robot will automatically scan your entries and start trading the moment that digit is hit. Then we have okay, let me get back to the bot builder stop. Okay, then we have these other bot we call the Elite Havoc. Elite Havoc is a DFAS. You can use it to trade DFAS under 9 and over 0. These robots execute 1 trade at a time, but I'll actually show you on how to do it. That is for the robots. In case you need the charts, just click there. In case you want a better picture, that is on the chart. In case you want the trading view, there it is. In case you want to see the circles, the DERIV circles, just click the D trader. We have the D trader and it will automatically open. Let me show you the circles. If you check, I think I can just show you this one. You can see these are the circles and this is Elite Trader. So if you need those DERIV old circles zenye zilikuwa kwa interface ya kitambo, you can actually find them here. This is Elite Traders. We have made those circles available. So just in case ulikuwa umezoea ile interface ya kitambo, just visit Elite Traders and you'll be able to see those old DERIV that is circles. You can, in case you love this interface to trade manually, you can just visit Elite Traders and you can actually see, you can actually be able to trade manually. That is for in, over, and unders, even, odd, rise and fall, all the markets. Sawa. That's all I got for today, guys. That was just a brief on how you navigate on elitretraders.co.ke. Goodbye.